This is Norton Shop iChannel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 2, Chess Galaxy 0. Boy,
Right, mina Kamala Muspama Zamlangeni. Milan support the Pirates.
Oh, Ipani.
Yeah. The Chiefs ngena game in a confidence ani. So, mabangena 2 boost up. Boost up inning.
Yeah.
Bahamba bashaya iTS Galaxy babona last game ukuthi badlale kanjani against iPolokwane City.
Yeah.
Babadlala iPolokwane City ba flop. So iChiefs ingena ngathi inyoka, iBlack Mamba.
Yeah.
Yangena yabaluma ka.
Yabasha strong.
Yeah. Mina nginekhosi lami la, bengajabulanga. Angazi why.
Why ngajabulanga?
Emancane.
Yeah.
Mina Kamala Mkhosi namandla Mlangeni.
Yeah.
I hope wonke umuntu unosuku elihle ngoba mina lami lihle kakhulu nje.
But ibhakani yale ngathi alijabulanga.
Liyaphapha
lithi wena uwine njengenyoka.
Igazi liyashisa kuwe yambona. Inkinga yakhe thina sathi 3 points namuhla. Ngicela ukubuza iPirates kwenzakaleni izolo. Idrawile again. Bathatha how many points? 1
point, yeah, away. But at least it's like a draw away is a win for them.
Siyabalanda nje. Sila.
Yavuma.
Yabona i1 point. You win to thina.
Exactly.
Ngoba thina we are 9 points. Thina if singacheka wa 9 points clear ku Chiefs. Noma iChiefs ingawina 5 billion. Singabashiya still.
So all the best to league.
Thank you. Sithatha this year. This year soyithatha.
Bani favorite player lapha ku Pirates?
Right Thomas Raifet.
Thanks for